We use state-of-the-art printers. They ensure bright and vibrant images. Latex UV giclée inks are inspected. Artist-grade canvas adds to the artistry. Brushstrokes are added for an authentic finish. Brushstrokes create texture and depth. Kiln-dried lumber is used to create the painting strainer. The wood strainer is handcrafted for each painting. The giclée canvas is hand-stretched over the strainer. If needed, corner joint supports are added. European-style rib stick is miter cut for frame. Care is taken for miter cuts. Miter cuts are precision nailed by joiner. Assembled frame is inspected for quality. If needed, corner supports are added for strength. The giclée canvas and frame are attached by a brad nailer. Backing paper is added as a buffer to walls. The canvas is exposed for a clean, finished look. D-rings, steel wire, and clamps are added. A heavy-duty painting hook is included. Bubble wrap is added to corners for shipping. Bubble wrap and strapping is added to inner cardboard support. The finished frame giclée packed and boxed is ready for shipping. Our frame giclée arrives to transform the look of your home.